Erda Energy Tutorial Video 2, Introduction to Erda Smart. In this video, you will learn how to select a single point and date range, how to view data on a line chart, and how to change the chart type and rollup. To begin, go to erdasmart.com. Once logged in, use the nodes on the left side and open the demo site node. Select the site data node, then select Site A, AHU Thermal Power. In the Chart Controls box, click on the upper date box and select the date you'd like to begin at. I've selected May 1st, 2020 through May 15th, 2020. You can also manually type the dates in. Select 30-minute rollup to view the average value every 30 minutes. Automatically, a line chart will be generated as the chart type. Scroll down to view the chart. Running your mouse over the chart shows values for specific times. Use your mouse to also zoom in on a specific area of the chart to get a closer look. Select Reset Zoom to return to the original view of the chart. Change the line chart to a table report to view all the values and timestamps in a column. Here, you can clearly tell that the values are an average for every 30 minutes. If you want to look at the values in a 1-minute rollup or average value for 1-minute intervals, change the rollup value to 1 minute. Select Generate and you will clearly see the change in the table from 30-minute to 1 minute and the values change. Thanks for watching. For questions on this video or to request access to a demo version of Erda Smart, please email us at info@erdasmart.com and be sure to check back regularly for news, videos, and updates.